Cool. This way.
It wasn't.
Which way? Now we got the whole family here at the car show. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Cale, say hi. He loves cars. Today is Sunday, the last day of the car show. And not quite as many people as yesterday, but there's still a lot of people here today.
You're not gonna be... Hi. It's like no type.
You want to shake his hand?
Touch it.
That's silly.
Go on.
Look at him. I'm about to do it. How you doing? Who's that? Who is that?
Your little cheeks is red.
It's cold out there.
They're cold outside. Now you...
Yeah, that is the one he was painting yesterday. Pretty cool. Wouldn't that be fun for a road trip? We gotta convince Mommy. This one's pretty clean. Yeah, you don't ever touch cars at car shows. You gotta wait. How would you like to take that one on the road?
On the top?
It's a part of a boat.
Yeah.
Pontoon boat.
We can sleep on the top under the stars.
Yeah, we can sleep on the top of that, look out at the stars. These are the ones here that shoot out the flames. Why are you so hyper?
I don't know.
Hey you. Oh, my buddy. Are we having fun at the car show? Hey, you having fun? See all the cars? So many different great cars up here. Check out this truck, Kale. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? I just like how unique it is. You don't see anything like that.
It's really pretty.
Is that, buddy? Isn't that nice? That's what I like about the custom. Look at how big that engine is, Kale. That's a big engine in there. It's a 1966 Nova. Kale, what's driving that one? What's driving that one?
Daddy.
Tiger. How cool is that? We don't want to touch him. Just look at him. Don't touch it. Isn't that cool? No, don't touch. Don't touch it. Just look at it. It's pretty cool. Wow, his brother in a race car. Just sit on brother's lap. There we go. Look at you guys. Guys, don't let them get under any fences. Faster. Hold his hand.
Daddy, look at the car we saw.
He's going through a phase where he wants to close every door.
That car.
When I open the fridge, he tries to close the door.
It's that
If I open the
space
cabinet to
car.
get food out, he tries to close the door.
Yeah.
So all these cars out here with their doors open, he wants to close all their doors and everything. You can't close their doors. We don't want to touch their cars. Well, that about wraps it up here at the Darryl Starbird Car Show. Fun weekend with all kinds of cars and everything for the whole family. So if you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe for more 360 videos. Give us a like and a comment. Thanks for watching. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you want to and leave us a like or a comment of what you thought. So bye-bye.